Let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu. We looked at Shiba yesterday. Here is a recap. So until Shiba can cross over this trend line and stabilize over that, I am afraid the downtrend would continue. Another thing is looking at the volume. When Shiba spike up, volume spike up. And now the volume is definitely tapering off. So until we see a spike up in the volume, it's going to be really tough for Shiba to be able to mount a run up and cross over this major resistance trend line. So this is what we are looking at. Shiba needs to close today over the 10 days moving average and continue to stabilize over that. The target price I have is at 0.66. I would like to see Shiba trade at or above 0.66 and consolidate above that. If Shiba were to break down and trade below the 10 days by the end of today, that would be right at around 0.64. A trade at or below 0.64, then we are looking at potential for more retracement. The first support level would be at 0.56. Breakdown would take it down to about 0.47. Fast forward, this is the hourly chart for Shiba. Yesterday, when we look at Shiba, Shiba was struggling right at around this 0.000065. Let's just call it 0.65. But then the price broke down, dropped below this yellow dotted line, which is the 10 days moving average. And after that, the price very much went on this free fall, broke down, dropped below the first support level at 0.57, then dropped to about 0.47. Very strong selling momentum pushed the price down to about 0.44, where it also tested the support of this prior high. And it seemed like Shiba had found a temporary support at 0.45. The price is starting to bounce back up. When Shiba was trending down, it was very much following this downward channel. As you can see, every time when the price tests the support, it bounces right back up. But the minute it gets near the resistance, seller push it down. So now we're seeing that Shiba retested the support of this downward channel and seemed to find support at this level. So there is a high probability that we may see some sort of buying support at this level. If that was the case, there is a good probability that the price will continue to trend up. And then the minute it retests the 10 days moving average, which is right at around 0.65, that is the most critical price level, because a rejection at that level, and let's say if Shiba were to trade below that and continue to trend downward, then there's a very good probability that the price could continue to retrace and then possibly retest this support of the downward channel again. And that price could be lower than this 0.47. Switch over to the daily chart. Shiba broke out consolidations around the beginning of October. Spike up. The Bollinger Band expanded. It got to the point where the band get overextended. Then Shiba started this retracement. Now we don't know whether or not at 0.45 is the bottom for this retracement or not, because let's say if the price get rejected at the 10 days moving average again and then retrace, then there's always that possibility that it could break down, drop below 0.45 and even hit as low as 0.37. That would roughly be about 61.8% retracement from this high. But the key is Shiba is still looking for the bottom as part of this retracement. But the minute it finds bottom, then it would enter what I call is the consolidation phase. Then we would likely see Shiba trading sideways for a while. And then the Bollinger Band would contract it more. And then the minute we see Shiba cross over the 10 days moving average and then stabilize over the 10 days moving average, at that point, we can look at Shiba potentially begin the next bull run. But in the near term, Shiba could possibly trend down more until it finds the bottom, and then very likely trading sideways for a while. The key for us is right at the 10 days moving average, 0.65. Just hope that Shiba can cross over that and stabilize over that to prevent further breakdown. And Shiba already ran up so much. So this retracement is very normal. Once it's find a bottom, it will trade sideways, consolidate, and build momentum for another run up in price. Very much similar to how we've seen Shiba has behaved in the past. Spike up, retracement, and then entering the consolidation phase. And then we will see it will break out again. That is going to happen again. So just hang tight. For me, the retracement is just a good opportunity to accumulate Shiba. For those who were lucky enough to sell Shiba at around 0.8, 0.9, now you can buy it back a lot cheaper. That's it for this video. And don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.